Hello, dear friends, all lovers of freedom all over the world. I greet you according to your time zone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Long live Mazi Nnamdi Kanu of Biafra land. Long live United States of Biafra. Long live the good people of Biafra. My people, in this video, you will learn a lot. So do not be in a hurry. Tighten your seatbelts and watch this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share this video and also give us a thumbs up. Thank you and God bless you. Let's go.
We are looking at a very significant development coming out of the seat of the Caliphate today, Thursday, December 18th, 2025. Just when we thought the doors of that Sokoto Correctional Center were permanently shut to the world following the harsh ruling by Justice James Omotosho last week, a major figure has stepped in to prove that Nnamdi Kanu is not alone. The headline is bold and the implications are massive. The king of Igbos in Sokoto, High Chief Bahara, has officially visited the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, right there in his detention facility. This visit is not just a casual greeting. It is a powerful statement of solidarity that is shaking the narrative of abandonment we have been hearing. For weeks, ever since Nnamdi Kanu was sentenced to life imprisonment and moved to Sokoto, there has been this fear that he was being sent to a place where he would be isolated, friendless, and forgotten. His lawyer, Aloy Ijimako, even raised the alarm that Sokoto was the land of his enemies. But Chief Bahara's visit today changes the temperature in the room. It sends a signal that even in the heart of the Northwest, Kanu has kinsmen watching over him. According to reports from the ground, Chief Bahara, who leads the vibrant Igbo community in Sokoto State, didn't go there empty-handed. He went there to assure the IPOB leader that the millions of Igbos living in the north are not asleep. This visit comes hot on the heels of the high-profile visit by Abia State Governor Alex Otti just 2 weeks ago. Remember when Governor Otti came out and told us about the Sultan's joke regarding turbaning Kanu? Well, Chief Bahara's presence puts a local stamp on that diplomatic effort. It tells the authorities that the eyes of the community are fixed on that prison cell. You have to understand the bravery involved here. In the current climate, where the federal government has branded IPOB as a terrorist organization and Kanu as a convict, associating openly with him can be risky. Yet, Chief Bahara walked through those prison gates. We're hearing that during the visit, he encouraged Kanu to remain strong and resilient. He reportedly told him that his people in the diaspora, right there in Sokoto, are praying for him and monitoring his health situation closely. This is crucial because remember, the court just rejected Kanu's application to be transferred back to Abuja. The judge said he must stay in Sokoto. This raised massive concerns about his access to medical care and his safety. By visiting him, the Ezendigbo of Sokoto is essentially acting as a local guardian. It is a strategic move. It makes it harder for any funny business to happen to Kanu when the leader of the Igbo community in that very state is checking in on him. The timing is also interesting because it counters the silence from the Sultan's palace that we discussed yesterday. While the Sultan might be quiet after his initial joke, the Igbo community leader is taking action. It shows that while diplomatic channels might be slow, community channels are active. Chief Bahara is proving that Nwa Nedimba, a brother in a foreign land, is not just a proverb, it is a reality. People are asking, what does this mean for Kanu's spirit? Sources say the IPOB leader was in high spirits, just as he was when Governor Otti visited. Seeing his own people, hearing his own language in that confinement must be a massive morale booster. It dismantles the psychological warfare of isolation. It tells him, you are in prison, yes, but you are not an outcast. But we must also ask, will this visit translate to better treatment? Will Chief Bahara be able to advocate for Kanu's medical needs directly with the prison authorities in Sokoto? That is the next level of this engagement. We need to see if this king can use his influence to ensure that the lion is treated with human dignity while he fights his legal battles. I really want to know what you think about this move by Chief Bahara. Do you see it as a brave act of solidarity, or do you think the Igbo community in Sokoto should be careful not to attract the anger of the state? And do you think this local support is enough to keep Kanu safe in Sokoto? Drop your thoughts in the comments, let us discuss. Please, if you are enjoying this breakdown of the news that matters to you, do well to smash that like button. It helps us push this content to more people. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. We are tracking every visitor, every court ruling, and every move in this Nnamdi Kanu saga, and you don't want to be the last to know.
Well, Igbos have a lot of people. Any part of the country you go, you will see Igbos in their millions. At the last count, we have 19 million Igbos in Sokoto, in all the 19 states, including Sokoto. We have 19 million Igbos. Okay, that is during the time of Nyangodo, when Nyangodo was the President General of Ohanese and Igbo. So Kanu is home. In any part of the country, they put him. What we are complaining is that it will be difficult for him from Sokoto prison to Abuja to, appeal for his judgment to the Supreme Court. That is what we are complaining. He won't find it convenient going from Sokoto to Abuja because he's standing for his trial. He's in charge of his own case. It's not, no lawyer is standing for him. So that is what we are complaining of. And again, the another point is Sokoto being heavily Islamized. You have bandits patrolling Sokoto State and the jihadists all over Sokoto State. So these are our fears. Okay, not that they won't have visitors. Of course, he have visitors. When we have 19 million people, let's assume 200,000 people will be visiting him every month. That is something. So, we are talking about his release. Let all Igbos all over Nigeria come together to demand for his unconditional release. We can't continue to be hearing there are negotiations going on, and time is going. Time is going.